Welcome to Moo IT Insights, your go-to podcast for the latest in IT solutions and technology trends. Today, we're diving into the essential role of managed IT services in modern enterprises. Managed IT services could be the difference between business as usual or a financially crippling, potentially catastrophic data breach. They help businesses avoid costly downtime and ensure smooth operations. Managed IT services are essential for modern businesses to stay competitive and secure. At Moo IT Solutions, we believe in providing proactive, reliable, and efficient IT support that empowers our clients to focus on their core operations while we handle their technology needs, says Anthony Musa, CEO of Moo IT Solutions. So what exactly are managed IT services? They involve outsourcing your company's IT operations to a managed services provider, or MSP. This means the MSP continuously monitors, maintains, and manages your IT infrastructure and end-user systems. The benefits are significant. Managed IT services offer proactive maintenance and monitoring, which means potential issues are identified and resolved before they become major problems. This minimizes downtime and keeps your business running smoothly. Cost efficiency is another major advantage. With managed IT services, you get predictable monthly expenses, eliminating the need for large capital investments in hardware and software. Plus, MSPs often have vendor partnerships, providing competitive pricing on necessary IT equipment and services. By understanding the value of managed IT services and partnering with a reliable MSP like Moo IT Solutions, you can enhance your IT infrastructure and drive business growth. That's all for today's episode of Moo IT Insights. Join us next time as we explore more ways to leverage technology for your business success.